Tony's Burrito. Okay, today we'll be doing another homework assignment. We've done so many of these before, but we're doing it again. Ellen Raskin is the creator of which book? The Westing Game. What have I done? Who made the Westing Game? Question mark. It was Ellen Raskin. It's not my book, it's hers, but, what the? She was the one who created this book and all. Yeah, it's a pretty good book. It's actually really good. I'm just looking at my cat. Yes. Alright, I made a Roblox game for an advertisement, and I really hope you guys enjoy it with only a minute in. Let's get started. Hey, remember when we had that one murderer killed Mr. Westing? Yeah, that was really scary. I'm so glad that I made it out. Please don't remind me of that. Please. Rest in peace, Samuel Westing. Sadly, this grave is not for Stanley. We were the only ones